In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels on Big Cartel in a step-by-step guide that will streamline your shipping process and save you time. Whether you're new to Big Cartel or looking to refine your e-commerce operations, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Big Cartel's homepage at bigcartel.com. This page serves as the gateway to your artistic or small business e-commerce platform, offering a user-friendly interface for managing your store. Once there, your next step is to access your account. Look for the login button. It's your key to entering the backend of your Big Cartel store. Clicking on this will prompt you to the next crucial step, entering your shop URL. Your shop URL is unique to your business, acting as the address to your online storefront on Big Cartel. This specificity ensures that all your store's data and operations are securely managed under your control. After inputting your shop URL, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, your password is the lock to your digital storefront, safeguarding your business's sensitive information from unauthorized access. Ensure it's strong and secure, but also something you can remember. Successfully logging in will bring you to your Big Cartel dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can oversee various aspects of your online store, from sales to inventory, and, crucially for today's tutorial, shipping. Within the dashboard, locate and click on the Account option. This area of your account holds the settings and preferences that dictate how your store operates, including shipping configurations, which are our primary focus today. As you scroll down in the account section, you'll see an option for shipping. It's here that Big Cartel allows you to edit your shipping. Click on this to proceed to set up or modify your shipping preferences, ensuring that your products reach your customers efficiently and reliably. Upon entering the shipping setup area, you'll find an option to set up default shipping. This feature is incredibly handy for establishing base rates and methods, streamlining the process for future shipments. By setting up a default, you provide a consistent baseline for shipping your products, which can be customized on a per order basis as needed. Setting up your shipping configurations accurately is crucial in providing your customers with transparent shipping costs and delivery times. It not only enhances the customer experience, but also prevents any unforeseen issues that could arise from improper shipping setup, such as delayed shipments or unexpected fees. Now, with your shipping configurations in place, printing shipping labels becomes a streamlined part of your order fulfillment process. This efficiency not only saves you time, but also ensures that your products are on their way to your customers with the correct postage, packaging, and tracking information. Before we conclude, let's recap the critical steps we've walked through today. 1. Visit Big Cartel's website and log into your account. 2. Navigate to the dashboard and enter the account settings. 3. Locate the shipping section and select to edit your shipping settings. 4. Finally, set up your default shipping preferences to streamline your process. By following these steps, you're well on your way to simplifying how you handle shipping for your Big Cartel store. Remember, shipping is a key aspect of your online business, directly impacting customer satisfaction and your efficiency in managing orders. Taking the time to properly set up and understand this feature will pay dividends in the smooth operation of your store. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're setting up shipping for the first time or looking to refine your existing process, I hope these insights have been valuable. Here's to making your shipping process as smooth and efficient as possible, allowing you more time to focus on what you do best, growing your business and creating fantastic products for your customers. Happy shipping, and see you in the next tutorial.